welcome you all again in the chapter 4, that is your task pane. So we are already learned about the different tools in task pane, and now we are going to learn more in task pane in this chapter. Okay, so first of all let's start with how to start task pane. So how to start, we have to just click, we need to click on the start button. Okay, first we need to click on the start button and then go to the all programs. As you click on the all programs, it will display a task pane there. So you have to click on the task pane and then click on the task pane full screen. If you will choose task pane windowed, it means your screen will be in a small size. Okay, so we will choose a task pane full screen. So it will be visible to you everyone. Okay, so the task pane window will appear in front of you like this. Okay, so I hope it is visible to everyone. Okay, so these are the tools. So today we are going to learn about the stamp tool. Okay, earlier we learned about the magic tool, the flower tool, the grass tool. Now today we are going to learn about the stamp tool. It is your stamp tool. So stamps are ready-made pictures that can be applied as a stamp in your picture. Okay, so these are the only drawing images. So click on the stamp tool. All the stamps available will display here. These are the ready-made, these are the built-in stamp tool of your task pane. Okay, so just like this, as I will select this, I can put it anywhere like this. If I want it to be in this side in a mirror image, so we have to choose this. As you click on this, this will be in a mirror image. Okay, the mirror image of this will be display like this. Okay, and just like this, I'm putting it here, and a mirror image will be like this. I am putting this like this, and a mirror image will be like this. I am putting this one here, and the mirror image will be like this. I am putting it here, and its mirror image will be like this. Okay, this one, and then mirror image will be this one. Okay, so these are the stamps that you can also take their mirror images. Okay, and you can also download more mirror images. Okay, so from where you will download? You can download from the task pane org, download Windows task stamp. Okay, from there. Okay, so now let's erase these all and let's use other tools. So I am just erasing this, taking eraser and erasing this all drawing, because this is done now. I hope you all have understand this about the stamp tool. Okay. Now let's learn about the pattern of the brush shapes. Okay, आपके जो पेंट है उसके ब्रश के जो शेप्स है उसके बारे में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज योर पेंट and now I am going to draw a tree. मैं एक ट्री ड्रॉ करना चाहती हूँ. Okay, so now I am going to draw a tree. So I am taking a brush like this. I am taking this brush for drawing a trunk of the tree. So like this, okay, and okay, like this, and this is your tree trunk. Okay, and now we have to fill the color on this. How to fill the color? Go to the magic tool, and then there is the fill color option, and choose the color and fill the color in it. Okay, the color is filled now. And now again go to the paint tool and paint tool there is a very magical thing is there. This is your leaves, the brush that is in the shape of leaves, and you can choose the color of the leaf. Okay, you can choose the color of the leaf. You should choose the color of the leaves. Okay, you should choose the color of the leaves. Okay, so you can have colors like this. You can draw your tree like this. It's just looking like it is the original tree. Okay, because it's showing you all the leaves also. It is your paint brush, beta. It is in shape. Okay, it is available in different shapes, and one of the shape is your leaves. Okay, leaves or stem. This is a stem actually. Okay, different stems you can, okay, stems, branches. Okay, so you can have like this. So this is your tree is drawn here. So let's take a green color around it. So I'm just choosing the different color. For example, this color I want. Okay, and I want this color to be filled by this. Okay, so I'm just putting this over this. I'm just coloring this. See the area. First of all, I'm bounding the area. I'm bounding the area from there. I'm bounding the area from there. Okay, and from there. So wait a minute. Wait a minute. So I'm bending the area from there. Okay, so now let's color this. We can color it like this. Okay, so this is how we can color this. So see, color of the ground is fixed now. Okay, I just filled the ground color in a green, parrot green color, just like these days rainy season is there. See, all grass is looking green. Okay, so this is how you can use your paint tool. So you can have a line tool also. Before line tool, let me explain you different types of shapes are available here. So are you able to see this? This is your one of your shape. Then it will display you just like a squirrel is running. Okay, just a squirrel is running. See, squirrel is running in a ground. Okay, so is it nice? Okay, and you can have a shape of a cat also. A cat is running. A cat is running like this. Okay, cat is running like this. Okay, so you can have shapes like this, and also different shapes are available. You can first of all let me explain you about the line tool. This is your line tool, student. So I just select the line tool. These paint brushes will drawn in the shape of line. It means they will be in a straight way. Okay, just like I want to draw this. So I can draw this like this. Looking very nice. I can have a boundary like this. See, a straight line. Okay, it can have like this. So very beautiful. So using line tool, the brushes will drawn in a shape of line, or they will be drawn in a straight line. Okay, for example, if you want this, so this will be in a this way. Okay, you can draw it like this. Okay, clear to everyone? So I'm just removing this. Okay, and you can have the other shapes are also available there, just like this is your ball shape. I am taking it as a fruit of this tree. So see, this is just showing a apple tree, showing it as a apple tree. Okay, apples are here. It's showing apples are on the tree. Okay, it's showing it is a apple tree. So because of this feature or this paint, okay, we can choose other also, just like these flowers. For example, your flowers are just moving, just falling down. Okay, यहाँ flowers गिरे हैं. You can have like this. You can choose the color and can change the color also. Okay, just like these flowers, you can have these type of flowers also. Okay, so the shape of heart you can also draw. Okay, shape of heart, this shape also you can have. Okay, and this arrow shape you can also draw this arrow like this for showing anything. Okay, clear to everyone? And these are all the paints. Okay, just like you want to show the paint, sorry, acid, just like this, showing the color. And one more, there is one more tool is there, let me show you. One is, this is just a, your color is splitting down. It's let me show you, just like ऐसे आप शो कर सकते हो, जैसे कलर गिर गया है, ऐसा कुछ शो करने के लिए आप इसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. You can use this. Okay, you can use this. Okay, so these are all your different shapes of different brushes of these are the brushes of different shape, you can say. Okay, these are the brushes of different shapes. Clear everyone? Okay, so let me show you the other also. Okay, so this I am removing each and everything. I am just removing because it's not looking nice. This tool is removed and I am removing from the eraser. Then we will learn how to save the file. So this is your eraser. It is present here. So you can remove these all whatever you have done with the help of this eraser. Okay, so this eraser remove these things. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, this we can have. We are having also a one of the tool in magic, that is your grass tool. So let's draw that. Here is the grass tool is available. I hope it is here only. Let me show you. This is your grass tool. So this is how we can have the grass tool of this color. So just like grass is also there, so it will look nice. So very beautiful painting is this. This is a painting program, is very beautiful. It will show you a original look of your painting. Okay, it show you a original look of your painting. Clear to everyone? So this is your tree in a garden, you can also say. Okay, having grass also, and you can have flowers there also. So you can choose any color of the flower, just like this. Okay, showing this. Of other colors are also there, just like purple flower are there. Okay, purple color flower. It's a very beautiful garden of flower. Okay, that have different types of colors of flower are there available, like with grass. Okay, so it is looking beautiful or not? Okay, and also there is one more tool is there. This is also you can take you can also take you can also create a boundary of it. Like how to create a boundary with the help of this. Wait a minute. With the help of your paint tool, there is an option of your this tool. This will give you to draw a boundary. Like first of all, you need to use the line tool, na? And where is that tool? This one is your tool. So you can straight it like this. Okay, you can move it like this, and you can move it like this. Okay, and you can have a boundary like this with the help of this tool. Just like you can make a rectangle with the help of this. So this is the use of the line tool. Line tool will gives your brushes shape in a straight way, in a straight line manner. Okay, in a straight line manner. This is also one more tool is there. This one, this will be like some type of lines you can have, some type of lines you can have. Okay, so this is also you can also make. Okay, this is all you can also make. So clear to everyone? Now let's learn how to save a file. कैसे हम अपनी फाइल को सेव करेंगे. For example, we want to save this drawing. So how to save this? So for saving your drawing, it is automatically also saved. Okay, there is no need to save a file. Okay, and for saving a file with a simply you want to save a file, there is an option in the tool. Click on the save option. Okay, if you want to replace an old picture, you can replace, and you want to save a new file, you can save. For example, I want to save a new file, so it will be saved. Now your picture is saved. Okay, now your picture is saved. Now how to open a new picture? It means, sorry, not no new picture. How to open a new picture? So I will explain you how to open an existing picture that you already made. Other picture also we have made, so we can also open those pictures. How to open those pictures? You can open those pictures from the open option. Click on the open option. As you click on the open option, the available picture that you have drawn will display in front of. For example, some student has drawn this, very beautiful, very beautiful. So this picture of elephant is drawn here, and you can color this picture. For example, let's color in a green color. Wait a minute, I will use a paint tool for this. Wait a minute, let's do it using fill tool. Magic tool, go to the magic tool and the fill tool. See, your elephant is in your gray color. Okay, this is the color of the elephant. We will choose a gray color for that. So this is your elephant. Okay, and this comes with the help of that I've shown you in the line tool. That is your one of this one that can become with the help of this. Wait a minute, color should be different. Okay, color should be different. So with the help of this. Okay, so this is all you can have. Just like you want to show it like this, like this, you can have like this, and you can have like this in his trunk. So this tool helpful in that. So you have learned about the saving the file and about your line tool. Okay, so student, I hope you all have done this. These all fill in the blanks and true false. So everyone need to do their activity worksheet in a proper manner. Okay, everyone will complete their work in a proper manner. Okay, and watch the video in a regular basis. In our next chapter, we are going to learn more tools. Just like I am going to explain you the rainbow tool, about a new tool, about the shape tool also. There is also shape tool. So we are going to learn about the shape tool also. Okay, we are going to learn about the shape tool also. And we are going to learn about the effects also. Different types of effects also you can apply in this drawing. So thank you everyone. Keep watching the video.